Good evening, Mr. Only, members of the board, and members of the audience. My name is Aaliyah Fowler. I'm a leadership president here at Shadow Ridge School and soon to be graduating senior. We have had a busy couple of months here at Shadow Ridge. I would like to start off by sharing some of our highlights. Most recently, in celebration of Read Across America, the Shadow Ridge High School leadership students invited the Shadow Ridge Elementary students over to have story time. The students and a few other of our teachers read to the young children and also handed out goodie bags. We had a wonderful time interacting with them. This month, February, was pretty exciting. We had a random acts of kindness week. Most definitely, the highlight of February was Black History Month. First, we had Lieutenant Colonel Tony Marshall, who was one of the first Black Americans to be accepted into the U.S. Air Force Academy. Another fascinating person we were able to speak with was Miss Alila Bundles, the actual great-great-granddaughter of Madam C.B.J. Walker, and an author of many books, including On Her Own Ground. Because education is all about providing our students with relevant and real-life experiences, students participated in the Drought Project.
Before the tap run dry. Don't bat an eye, this is serious. We running out of water. Try and listen when you hearing this. I hope to make it into this. The future we could reminisce on. Times when life was chest, we made that water a pond. And that drought is like the queen because she eating the sword. I hope you focus on this message you receiving this song.
In art history, John Sachs discussed the importance of Al Cooper's organ playing in the Bob Dylan's classic Like a Rolling Stone. Resident scholar Ashley Monteverde created a how-to study video for our students. Ms. Jacobs, working with student advisory panel members Jasmine Pursley and Cesar Gomez, helped share our students' voices to prominent members of the community, such as board member Eric Swanson and Regina Witherspoon Bell.
This is very important to us because we see students as the future of the high desert, and we want to promote a place and have a community where people want to stay here.
Here's data depicting our graduate situation. We have 11 more seniors graduating early at the end of quarter 3, for a total of 25 graduates already this school year. We have 24 more seniors looking forward to their graduation at the end of May, and this will make our potential total graduating class 49. Thank you for listening to all of our amazing events taking place at Shadow Ridge, and thank you for all the support you give to our amazing school.